I'm heading to Best Buy because I got the new Google Pixel 2 and realized it doesn't have a USB port to plug in the back of my DJI Phantom. Shout out to all the vloggers who actually consistently put out work, because guys, this is a lot of freaking work. I woke up this morning and I went to go film just some clips of me putting my gear in the boxes, and I realized it's a lot harder to put a drone in a box when you only have one hand because your other one's filming. It's not easy to consistently throughout your whole entire day be vlogging. A little bit about the boat captain that I'm going out with today. His name is Eric Myers. I met him in high school and he started a bass fishing team at the school, which at the time I thought was hilarious, but I joined just I love bass fishing. I met him in high school, we fished for a while, split ways at college, and just recently he's been taking people out on these dolphin and whale tours, and I messaged him and said, hey, do you want to maybe partner up and share this with people? This is kind of the first trip that I've done with him out to see the whales. I've went out to see the dolphin. Hopefully we see some, but if not, it'll still be a great day in the water, minus being like minus 12 degrees. There she is! USB-C to USB. I think this is it. $24, that sounds about right. It's Best Buy. Guess this one it is. It's kind of artsy, so we'll go ahead and get this one. A little bit about Captain Eric Myers' situation right now. He's living the dream. He recently moved into a mansion, which we're gonna see here in a minute. He was giving a boat tour, a fishing charter tour to a group of people, and one of the people said they were looking for somebody to take care of the house. I don't know how you need to take care of the house, how a mansion needs to be taken care of, but Eric said that he would be willing to do it. So long story short, he is now living in a beautiful, beautiful mansion on the water. And I think he's supposed to be living there for the next year or so, and then he has another house that he's moving into. Somehow, I don't understand, but hey, I'm jealous. I told him if he needs a roommate, let me know. So we're gonna go ahead and check out his house right now. Oh! Look at this place. This is ridiculous. What up, brother? Good, man. Good to see you. Today we got the Phantom 4 Pro, Zhiyun Crane V2. Don't need any of that stuff. Don't need my red solo cup either. And then we got the Sony A7S II box. Oh, that's a big box. All right, so let's go inside and take a little tour of this house. This Jeep is pretty cool. This is when you know someone fishes. For real, for real. This is like the dining room. This is just the hangout room. What kind of fisherman do you call that? High class fisherman?
It's like this hanging around.
Let me see. What do you catch with that? That's ridiculous. Monster.
This thing is so bad.
Is it? Yeah. Did you get it dialed in now?
Yeah.
Was it the scope?
Yeah.
I told you.
This random squid thing. Alright, so where are we going today?
Chesapeake Bay.
Chesapeake Bay. Are we going out in the ocean at all?
Slight chance.
Slight chance. Don't get him.
Yay!
I pressed the remote thing. It's so fun. What is this thing? Oh! What? There's a bathroom that's like not even on a floor. There's the bottom floor. There's the top floor. Look at this. It's master bedroom. Look at the view. It's pretty sweet. This is my favorite part of the house. What? Of course, have your butt washer. What would a rich house be without a butt washer? Random big walk-in closet. Exercise room. Another walk-in closet. Back to the bathroom. Oh, that's fancy. That looks like a kid drew with like a crayon. He probably paid like thousands of dollars for that. Oh, sick.
Yeah, they're probably gonna be like super duper huge.
No, that's fine. Anything to keep the wind off me.
Takes like 30 minutes.
Alright, so I'm making sure that it's all set up before we get out in the middle of the water. Since this is a new phone and I just want to make sure it would work. Looks like it's reading. I think everything's ready to go. Alright, we're about to get underway. Head out into the bay. Got my full ghillie suit on. That's crazy. Who needs all that? Catch anything?
No.
Let's see here. Oh, nothing. We ready, boy?
Yep. Oh.
Tide's going out.
Yep.
We gotta hurry. We're heading out into the bay. Hopefully we're gonna see some whales. I've been wanting to go out and be able to shoot these whales for a while. I've seen them in Massachusetts, but I haven't got to see them here in Virginia Beach, in my home city. So I'm excited. They're awesome. They're freaking awesome. Whales are awesome. They're a whale of an animal. That was cheesy. That was cheesy. We're gonna head out. Stay tuned.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. Tell me what's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. She hit me up like what you need. I got houses in the trees. I got shit you never think that people ever really see.
I get seasick really easy, so I'll be popping a few of these bad boys. New phone did not work with the drone. I don't know what's going on. Plugged it in, it says disconnected. I tried calibrating it, whatever. I went through DJI steps. Oh, there they are. So I'm not able to fly the drone. Super bummed the DJI did not work. I'm gonna go home and figure it out. I think it's just some kind of calibration issue, or I don't even know. There went my shoes. But the good thing, these things are waterproof. Look at the tail. Got some awesome shots of the whales. We're headed back now. Fortunately, wasn't able to get any drone footage, but it's always next time. I don't know what happened. I had it set up at the house. I just need to go get home, look into it, just see what's going on. It's some kind of software thing. We're about to make a run. We'll be back. See you back at the house. So on the way in, this dolphin just darts right in front of the boat. Like right in front. Erica had to stop the boat almost. Oh, there's one right here. They keep coming right up close to the boat. I don't even know if you can see them on here. Oh, you can. Look, right there. Right there. There they are. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, here they come. Let's see if we can get them to come right next to the boat again. Come here, guys. I can hear them. That's the craziest thing, is when the dolphins come by, you can actually hear them. You can actually hear them communicating. You never know when they're gonna pop up. What? Look at them all. A whole bunch of them. They're just everywhere. We're surrounded by them. Oh, here they come. Wow. There he is. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Come back, come back, come back. Another over there. Oh my gosh! I didn't think we were going to see all that today. Well, that was pretty awesome. Wasn't expecting to see that on the way back in. Kind of made up for the drone not coming through.
Okay, now you can hold this.
Oh, I'm going to hold it?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Hold that.
Just start pouring it in there, right? What the heck?
It's crazy there's still a guy living on it.
There's a guy living on that?
Yep.
No way.
Yep.
You're full of it.
I am not fucking
What? So the tide's so far out that we can't make it to the dock. We're stuck. We're stuck. Help! We gotta figure it out. We're being saved.
Oh!
That is ridiculous.
As Bryce goes off those other side of the dock.
End of a successful whale tour. Thanks to Eric. Eric found them.
I found them. I told them where to be. They were there. They answered their emails. It's a great world.
Is this an outdoor fridge? Oh my gosh, that is overkill. Literally, like, was that like 20 feet away from the next fridge? This place is massive. Super excited to go home and take a look at these clips that I got of the whales. Unfortunately, I didn't get any drone clips of them, which is what I really wanted to do. But there's always next week. I'm gonna be posting weekly vlogs, not blogs. I do a lot of blogs too. Vlogs throughout this next year. My goal is to put out new content about photography, about adventure, about traveling. Well, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. I'm about to go kick it at the fire and have some steaks with these guys.